Do you have old hard drives that you're no longer using, but because of the information stored on them, you're not comfortable just throwing them away? Turn this into this. The pile of twisted metal you see here is actually the remains of shredded hard drives destroyed in the SEM Jackhammer hard drive shredder. This slow-speed, high-torque shredder uses heavy-duty sawtooth hook cutters to destroy up to 20 hard drives in a minute. Simply place the drives in the feed slot, and the jackhammer does the rest. Here we see the back of the shredder head. The safety panel has been removed for video purposes only. Never operate your jackhammer without safety guards and panels in place. Notice how easily the massive steel cutters reduce the hard drives down to 1.5-inch size shreds. A convenient discharge conveyor carries shredded hard drives away from the jackhammer to the waste receptacle of your choice. So if you've got large quantities of hard drives that need to be destroyed, choose the jackhammer from SEM, the fast, safe, cost-effective solution to hard drive destruction problems.